So here under the Chevy, just checking out the suspension or the steering. Well, steering and suspension. We know for sure we're gonna need them little shocks in the front. So that'll be coming. As you can see, the sway bar end links. I mean, this ain't gonna stop us from initially riding. You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely on the to-do list now. More content to keep coming. Sway bar end links. I mean, the bar is good. Shit, just don't got down end links. The bushings, sway bar bushings, look to be decent on that side and that side. Let's see what we got here. That's our idler arm. Look like the idler arm need to be touched. It's got some moisture right there. The tie rods actually look pretty decent. Tie rods look pretty decent. This idler arm needs some love. There's a lot of moisture on this side. So, yeah, those could probably use some love. I don't think it's too much wrong with the pivot arm. But yeah, definitely the center link. Yeah, definitely the center link. And all that. Sway bar bushings don't look as bad on this side. They're dry rotted. So we probably just gonna go ahead and plan for everything. Sway bar links, sway bar links, sway bar bushings. Like I said, they look good, but I mean it ain't nothing to swap them out. Outer tie rod, like I said, the outer tie rods look good, man. Inner tie rod look like they need some love. I need love. Yeah, so they look like they need some love. So we're gonna go ahead and plan for everything. So one more time. Let me just name it off as we go across. So we got sway bar links, sway bar bushings, center link, inner and outer tie rod ends. Inner and outer tie rod ends on both sides, center link, and I think it's the idler arm. Yeah, I think that idler arm bushing is actually what's leaking. So yeah, we're just gonna plan for all of that. I know people have been in the comments, man, been talking about the coilovers instead of replacing with the regular shocks. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm sold on them. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to really, you know me, like I'm gonna do my research. You know, I'm gonna do my research, do my thorough research, and find out. But yeah, I don't know just yet. Yeah, you can definitely looking at it like the way that them back shocks was going, bro. Like these fronts, I know they, yeah, it's bad. Cause like, look, you can really tell the difference now. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Chevy 254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. Boom. So the following message has been brought to you by LS254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted LS Chevy Rider or Caprice today. But I think that bitch even sit up a little higher. But yeah, watch it when I push on that bitch. So you. I push on that hole and pretty much just pop back to position. You know what I'm saying? Not 2 or 3 rocks. But when I do it on the front, let me see if I can get a good angle for y'all when I push on that bitch. See that, all that extra bouncing and shit? Yeah, so we definitely want to get rid of that. Like I said, boy, been talking coilovers. We're gonna see. Put the link in the description, man, and send it to me on my Instagram. If y'all seen coilovers, somebody said they got some budget ones on Summit, so send me the link on Instagram, put it down in the comments if it allow you. Shout out to my mods. And yeah, one step closer. Like I said, this suspension shit not gonna stop no show immediately. You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely something that need to get done as soon ASAP. ASAP. So, oh yeah, I meant to tell y'all another thing. Control arms. As you can see, that upper ball joint, it looked like it may be on this fucking last leg and shit. But on this side, that bitch is gone. That bitch is gone on this side. So, I mean, you can get on that bitch and grind them off. Put new ones in there. I actually went ahead and grabbed them. And I was thinking about just changing out the whole fucking control arm. But I think I'm gonna just do the fucking ball joints. I went ahead and ordered them. So then I got upper bar joints, lube joints, so we good to go. Hold on, these bitches look used. No, that's just how I think. So yeah, we gonna get them swapped out, get the old one grinded off, get the new one put in, and I'll go from there. So stuff all that shit back in the box. So yeah, got both of them. So that'll be something on the list as well. Do we look? I ain't even look at the lower ball joints. Let me get back up under here real quick. trying to put y'all in the game, bro. So, yeah. Glove box joint look like it could use some love too. Let's see what the other side look like. Yeah. Lowers not as bad. The only one that's like busted for sure is that damn this damn upper one right here. So that's gonna be the main. That's gonna be the main focus. You know, getting that one done, and then everything else in a timely manner. So remember, identify your weakness, make your strength. Love it all about choice. Choose wisely.